GSR for Nissan by VAIS Technology. High-quality satellite radio integrated right into your car's factory radio and steering wheel controls. To find your GSR, select iPod from the home screen. From here you can browse your channels one at a time using the touchscreen, track buttons, or scroll wheel. You can also browse your presets by holding down the track button. If you would like to view all your channels, choose iPod menu, Artists, Tune Presets and Channels, and All Channels. Here you can quickly scroll through all your SiriusXM channels. To add your current channel as a preset, choose iPod menu, Artists, Tune Presets and Channels, Add Preset, and Save Current Channel. Then your channel will be added to your list of presets. Your GSR will also display the preset number, the channel number, and the name of the channel beneath the song information. To view your presets, choose Artists, Tune Presets and Channels, and then My Presets. Here you can store up to 36 channels. You can remove a preset by choosing Delete Preset and then selecting which channel you would like to remove. You can also replace a preset. Simply find a channel you wish to replace your old preset with, then choose iPod menu, Artists, Tune Presets and Channels, and Replace Preset. Once your list of old presets appears, choose the channel you would like to replace. If you would like to erase all your presets, choose Delete All Presets. If you would like to browse by category, choose iPod menu, Artists, and Browse by category. You can choose System Information to view your SiriusXM radio ID or check your signal quality. Get your GSR today at vaistech.com.